All right, so here we go, a little update on the 79 K10. So I'm doing the engine bay right now, and this is the start of the bead roll patterns for the, I guess, cover the wheel well up. Very, very technical stuff. So basically what you do, well, it depends on the patterns you want. So being a square body, I figured square with some triangles and shit, I think that's kind of cool. So you make a square and then put a line through it, and then you find something round, put it in the corner, and then radius it. Very, very technical stuff. And so on the other side, I did smaller ones, and I used this socket to radius the ends right there. And when I initially started kind of drawing all this shit out, try to make it look kind of uniform, this is going to be flat. This is where the hinge goes. It gets broke right here where I have to bend the metal. And then this will be like the top piece. This will kind of go down in. And then this is where the big strut, or for the shock is going to be. So when I initially started drawing these out, I did some templates, like some test panels, and I made these guys as wide right here as these guys. Just being lazy and grabbing like the same ruler. And these ones look fine because they're so big, but these ones look fucking stupid. So I had to redo them all, and I made them a little bit smaller. And I think they look a little bit better. So these are the test panels. This is what I was talking about. This is how wide it started out with the little ones, and they just didn't look together. And then when I tightened it up, it actually looked a little bit cooler. So once I get done doing all the bead rolls, I had to do a test panel to see when I break everything to make sure my bead rolls aren't going to be in the line of my brake, you know? So this is going to be the little tab that's going to go into the fender, and I'll do little threaded Zeus tabs in there. And then this is going to be flat. This kind of comes down into the wheel well. But yeah, so basically transforming this into this right here. So you can see kind of flat. Now it's not fully set up. I mean, obviously I got fucking tape holding it on over there and stuff. I got a little Coleco in it holding it right there. But yeah, so there's the kind of the bigger bead roll into the side, kind of just like makes it all showy. I put this panel at the same radius as the shock. Big old king coilover shocks, flat, and then it goes all the way into the back side. Got more bead rolls over there. Maybe someone will see them, maybe they won't, but I know they're there. Blueprint 427 LS, 637 horse. This thing's gonna be a monster. Huge all strut tower kind of made over the top of it. But yeah, so this is kind of the update on the custom engine bay that I'm